On the health front, we're now seeing setbacks. Again, that's the nature of wars. You make progress, and then you have some setbacks, and we certainly have a setback on the health front with for the United States. There really is not a second wave, but it's a third wave, and it's the worst wave of the pandemic, and certainly in terms of hospitalizations. But then on the other hand, we're at a record high in the stock market, most recently because in November, which turned out to be the month for so far of the Santa Claus rally, we had some really good news on the vaccines. So we had the election was over, and I think there was a big sigh of relief that at least that was behind us, though maybe it's not. But then that was on a Tuesday, and then the following Monday, Pfizer announced that they had a vaccine, and then the following Monday after that, Moderna announced, and then after that, AstraZeneca announced a kind of a more questionable issue about what they really have. But the market started to see the possibility that by the middle of next year, we would find that a lot of people have been inoculated and the worst of the pandemic is over. And by the second half of next year, things will be back to some semblance of normal. With regards to the financial front, things look just horrible back in February and the first few weeks of March. The credit markets seized up. We had a terrible credit crunch. We had a mad dash for cash. The stock market crashed by 33%, in basically 20 trading days. And that occurred from February 19th to March 23rd.